In this video, we will elaborate how to load an IUI catheter. Once your semen sample is ready and you are ready to load the catheter for insemination, this is the process you need to follow. This is the IUI catheter we have taken out from the packet, and we have opened a 1 ml BD syringe. Attach the syringe behind the IUI catheter. Take out the catheter. Open the tube in which your semen sample is ready. Insert the catheter inside the tube. Aspirate from behind. Mix the sample a little, but be careful, there should be no bubble, and then aspirate in the syringe. So here you can see that there is 0.5 ml of the prepared semen in our syringe, and a little bit of free air space is there in the syringe. This free space is important so that the length of the IUI catheter is covered. So when we inseminate and we push, this air column will fill the catheter lumen and then semen will be pushed through the catheter. I hope the process is clear of how to load the IUI catheter.